poor guy with Blackstone. It's been about 6 months. Look what I got. We're gonna do a brioche French toast. French toast. That's what I'm trying to say. Someone's coming. It's Aiden. Come on out, I'm making a video. What? Get a job. No. Anyway, vanilla, chocolate marble. That's what we're doing this morning. It's been a long time. Do you know why? Because I got a smoker now. Anyway, everybody knows how to make French toast, I would think. But we'll go through it. Vanilla. And I just got this stuff at Walmart. And we all know I shop at Walmart because I'm a poor guy. But the stuff is really good. There's a lot of flies. Sorry about spit. It's Labor Day weekend, and I'm happy because I'm not laboring this weekend, nor next week because I'm on vacation. But it's been a long time since I've done a video, and I felt like I needed to keep my 14 subscribers happy. Who knows, maybe I'll get one more. Found it. I did check it a while ago. My what do you call it? My channel, and I had 15, but that didn't last that long. Somebody said, nope, not interested. Got a couple thumbs downs on videos. Utterly defeating. What I might do sometime. Oh, this one fell apart a little bit.
Oh yeah, the chocolate ones are falling apart.
Yeah, it's that marble, you know, it's the whole marble thing. But it'll still eat the same.
Yeah, that'll be alright.
But I did get a little smoker. It's not a tall smoker, it's not a big fancy smoker, but it takes wood chips, and I made some pretty good things. So I might just do a video on my new smoker too. I know it's a Blackstone deal, but I'm a poor guy with Blackstone and an inexpensive smoker. And that's what's been preoccupying my time, because I don't know if any of you have smokers, but once you have one, and you start, it's addicting. Oh, it just cinched my hairs on my arm. Typical. So that's what I'm doing. I'm sure most of you know how to make French toast. Oh man, I just messed up the side of my Blackstone. Come over here. Look at what I did. That's a shame. I can clean it though. So we got some dogs. We got some dogs here today. 5 of them to be exact. We got one visitor. He's right there.
That's Kylo.
His name's Kylo, Frodo, Ruppy, Buddy, and Sebastian.
He had.
We like dogs. But not really. We don't really like them. Yeah, we do. And then we got some real maple syrup. It's real. It comes from the great northeast of the United States, where they know how to make maple syrup. And it's politically correct because it's not Aunt Jemima. It's not Mrs. Butterworth. It's not Uncle Ben. It's not Cracker Jack. This is maple syrup. So, check it out. Where'd Aiden go? Maybe he's looking online for a new job, or a job. Probably not, huh? See how easy? I mean, again, the Blackstone is so awesome. So one time I did a double duty one day. What did I do? I did a pork shoulder, pork butt, air conditioning, in the smoker, and then what I did was, you saw the one video I did one time, where I took the Stouffer's macaroni and cheese, threw it on there, and grilled it up on the griddle. Oh man, I did the smoking, I did the Blackstone. It was an awesome day. It was just awesome. So look, not to bore you anymore, but that's it. The marble, chocolate marble, the French vanilla, or I don't know if it's French vanilla.
It's
Is it
just vanilla.
It's just vanilla.
It's just
All right, take the
vanilla.
French part out.
It's French toast.
It's French toast, but it's not French vanilla
Right.
French toast.
Yeah.
It's chocolate marble. And that's it. We're going to bring it in the house, put some syrup on it, eat some meat, which I already did. And I had a little technical difficulty. Security standing behind my wife over there. Happy Labor Day. Thanks for watching. If anybody does, subscribe, like, down like, up like, whatever. Later.